Okay, yep.
You wiggle these backwards and forwards, pop in the grooves.
Make sure the arrow's down.
Yeah, make sure the arrow's down, and then similarly when you put the top piece on, wiggle it backwards and forwards, lock it in, wiggle it backwards and forwards, applying downward pressure and it'll pop in. And then the back, you just put in here, also pop it in. There we go. Push in, pop it in. And the seat piece with the look forward. On top here. Pressure, pop it in. Flip the chair over. These are spacers to hold the legs in place, so you can put on as many as you want. Just start with putting one on each.